Welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we are diving into the exciting world of IoT as we show you how to interface in ESP8266 with the Blynk platform. With this combination, you will be able to remotely control and monitor devices over the internet. So let's get started. The components required for this project are ESP8266 board, potentiometer, LED, breadboard. Let's quickly introduce our two main components, the ESP8266 and Blynk. The Nodemcu is a versatile and affordable Wi-Fi module that can be used to connect various electronics projects to the internet. On the other hand, Blynk is a powerful IoT platform that provides a user-friendly interface to control and monitor your connected devices remotely. Connect the one terminal of the potentiometer with 5V or 3.3V of the Nodemcu. Connect the middle terminal of the potentiometer with a NOT pin of the Nodemcu. Connect the other terminal with ground. Connect the anode of the LED with T3 pin of the Nodemcu. Connect the cathode of the LED with ground of the Nodemcu. First, we will create account in Blynk.io. So open the blynk.io website. Then click on the login button. Then click on the create a new account. Enter the email address and tick on the I agree. Then click on the sign up. A confirmation email will be sent to the email you have given. Open the email and click on the create password. The link will be expired in 1 hour. Enter the password and click on the next button. After that, enter your profile name and click on the done button. The Blynk tour will be appeared which will show the steps to Blynk.io. Click on the let's go. we want to create our own project with which we will control the LED and monitor the potentiometer value. So I will click on the cancel button. Click on the templates. Then click on the new template. Give the name to the template. And select the required board and click on the done. Then click on the data stream and click on the new data stream. Then again click on the new data stream and select the virtual pin. Enter the required credentials like name, data type, and limit. Then click on the web dashboard. Drag the switch or double click on it and click on the setting. Give the title and link the variable with switch and click on the save button. Then insert the gauge to the dashboard on which we will display the potentiometer values. Again click on the setting and link the required variable. Click on the save button. Now click on the search button. Click on the new device. Click on the from template. Select the template we have created and click on the create button. Now copy these credentials. And paste it in the code. Then we will install the library for the Blynk app. After installing the Blynk library, we have defined the variables for the potentiometer and LED. Then in setup, I have defined potentiometer as input and LED as output device and start the Blynk application. In loop, we will send the potentiometer values to the Blynk. After that, select the Nodemcu board and upload the code to the ESP8266. If Nodemcu board is not installed in your Arduino IDE, then watch my previous video in which I have showed how to install the Nodemcu board. The link is given below. The code is uploaded to Nodemcu and we can see the potentiometers on the gauge. Open the Google Play Store and search for the Blynk IO and install it. Click on the login button and enter the email and password. Now the template will be appeared, which we have created in the web dashboard. Open it. Now click on the setting. Then click on the plus sign and select the gauge. Adjust the size of the gauge. Then click on the gauge and link the variable with it. Also set the font size. Then again click on the plus sign and add the button. Then link the variable with the button. After adding the button and gauge, click the back button and developer mode will be closed. Now we can see that when we rotate the knob of the potentiometer, the values in the gauge changes. And when we press the button in the Blynk app, the LED turn on and off. possibilities with this setup are virtually limitless. You can control lights, appliances, or even build more complex projects like home automation systems. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting tutorial.